Welcome to Davenport Village. This gorgeous private end unit features over 2,900 square feet of completely upgraded space. From the farmer's sink in the expanded island in the chef's kitchen, it offers a Wolf 6-burner gas range, beautiful chandeliers for that little bit of bling we all need in our lives. Add to that a gorgeous master suite with a loft that overlooks a 2-story family room and a fully finished lower level, perfect for billiards and guest space. Come take a tour with us. I hope you enjoyed your time here today at 16 Davenport Lane, and I can't wait to see you here at home.